Apple's WWDC runs from June 6 through June 10. Apple will again conduct the conference online solely, with a virtual keynote and developer workshops. WWDC, one of the largest tech events of the year, previews upcoming updates to software used by millions. The event kicks off on Monday, June 6. Apple normally holds a developer keynote on the first day of the conference. Developers who create applications for Apple devices like the iPhone and Mac attend conferences like WWDC. But the yearly developer conference is used to show out new iPhone, Mac, Apple Watch, and iPad software. That implies early access to iOS 16, iPadOS 16, WatchOS 9 and a new macOS. Usually, software announced at WWDC in June is released in the autumn, around the same time as new iPhone and Apple Watch models. During previous WWDC conferences, Cupertino has thrown numbers to explain how its App Store is the most appealing platform for developers. Apple said last year that it has paid developers $230 billion since 2008. The App Store receives approximately 600 million weekly visits from 175 countries. As the world's most valuable tech business, Apple has recently focused on Indian developers and app creators. Apple's major WWDC announcement last year was Universal Control, a feature that enables customers to use the same mouse and keyboard on a Mac and an iPad. After a little delay, the functionality is now online. FaceTime upgrades include sharing displays or music through a new software feature called ShareTime. Apple may also launch a new OS named HomeOS, in addition to iOS 16 and macOS 13. This year's WWDC may be the platform where Cupertino reveals its home strategy in the congested smart home industry. Although WWDC is a software-focused event, Apple has used it to introduce new hardware. The long-awaited mixed reality, Mr. headgear is scheduled to be unveiled at WWDC 2022. The Technology Development Group, according to Bloomberg, is working on the headset. Apple never admits the headset's existence, but experts and industry insiders think it will allow Apple to enter a new product category. The headgear combines virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR, in one device. It may cost up to $2,000, compared to Meta's $299 Quest VR headset. For the industry to experience extended reality, XR, which many call a doorway to the metaverse, Apple's mixed reality headset set the tone. Susan Prescott, Apple's Vice President of Worldwide Developer Relations and Enterprise and Education Marketing, said in a statement that WWDC has always been about community building. Along with the online community, Apple will invite developers and students at Apple Park on June 6 to view the keynote and State of the Union recordings.